How to fix Google Drive connection error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Drive connection error on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down here until you find apps, and now click apps again, and first click drive here, and then click storage, and then click clear cache, and after that go to data usage and allow mobile data. You will find it like that, allow it, and now go to this one here, power usage, launch settings, and allow in background disable manage automatically, and allow it, and that's it. Now just go back, restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.